MirrorMask, Fragile Things, Marvel 16 of 834, Marvel 1602, Blueberry Girl, Creatures of the Night, Creatures of the Night, InterWorld, first published 2007, 626 subjects, adventure genres book, speculative fiction, children's literature, fiction, science fiction, original language, English language. The tragical comedy or comical tragedy of Mr. Punch. First published 1994. Signal-to-noise. First published 1989 subjects, Apocalypse. Murder mysteries. The Dangerous Alphabet. A walking tour of the Shambles. Violent cases. M is for magic. Odd and the Frost Giants. Odd and the Frost Giants. The Ocean at the End of the Lane, a novel. The Wolves in the Walls. The Wolves in the Walls. The Sandman, Dream Country. The Sandman, Dream Country. The Books of Magic. The Books of Magic. Anansi Boys. First published 2005, 9 genres book, speculative fiction, fiction, fantasy, original language, English language. Smoke and Mirrors. First published 1998 genres book, speculative fiction, poetry, children's literature, fiction, short story, original language, English language. Neverwhere. Genres book, speculative fiction, fiction, science fiction, fantasy, original language, English language. Good Omens. First published 1995, 1 genres book, speculative fiction, comic novel, fiction, comedy, science fiction, original language, English language. More Good Omens, 248 of 1235, the best novels ever written. 12 of 55, the best satirical novels. 11 of 56, the best Terry Pratchett books. Stardust. First published 1999, 2 subjects, literary, adventure, England, comics genres book, speculative fiction, fiction, novel, science fiction, fantasy, original language, English language. The Ocean at the End of the Lane. Coraline. First published 2002 subjects, supernatural, United States of America genres book, speculative fiction, children's literature, horror film, fantasy, original language, English language. The Graveyard Book. First published 2008 930 subjects, supernatural genres book, speculative fiction, children's literature, horror film, fantasy original language, English language. American Gods. First published 2001 subjects, literary, comics genres book, speculative fiction, children's literature, horror film, fiction, novel original language, English language.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.